Good afternoon, country people them. We're glad for meet up una for this side. So for Equinox Tori for Thursday, number 26 day for inside number 7 moon. We try number them this afternoon. We go tell una Palaba Moto where they thief am for Douala here, where they don't meet up am for place where they call am say Banka, na for West region for Cameroon. We go talk to for Tori for this afternoon. How glad it be day. For some school them, as we GCE results, it come out and we picking them, there is also turn for go check their name them, whether they pass or they no pass that exam. This afternoon too, we go turn back for Palava for rain for inside Douala here. Sabi say for Marwa side, the rain, it chakara plenty people then so they sleep now for outside. Other people them, they lost plenty for them and even shrine themselves. They die for Sika Rainway, it throw away for that side, so for Marwa. Newspaper themselves, they get their own story them where they go talk for we this afternoon. Big part talk, it tell we say waiting. Say you no fit hide your show for toilet. I say you no fit hide your shit hole for toilet. Now Dr. Jerome Mbono for that side for Meleng, Yawende. Now he saying we big part talk for this afternoon. At the turn back small time. We're glad for joining us again, for meet up with you now, for this side, so for Equinox Tori House, number 2 time, for today we're not Thursday, for the week, make we enter for Tori, we go start now with the Palava for Thief, we take una, go for Gendarmerie office, for that side, so for Banka, now for West region, now for this we will go for go meet up big man for Gendarmerie, where he don't do better work again. This motor na the see and so, na motor where they thief am for Douala here, Littoral 9443P. They thief that motor for Douala, RAV4 motor, where they thief am for Douala. Then the person thief am, AB1 surely go to mam for that side, so for West region. But big commander for brigades for that side, so for Banka, as well they call it one time. Talk for ye palava this thief motor na so to he put he own lamboy them for ground one time he no stay na so to they take cash the motor. According to Toriwe enter for we here they thief the motor na for place like Bepanda na for Bepanda side where they thief the motor where person wey get am he go left and say make they wash am. But thank God as we get to them, near them, as we they call them for that side, so from Bankam, they be the work better, and even the commandant for brigade for that side, so for Bankam, now all they so they put on for say make this moto, they catch them, and now for say congratulate for big commander for brigade for place where they call them say Bankam for West region. Now only 24 hours where it take for pick the moto where they thief am. For inside Douala, take and go for that side for West region. Now so can the people them we go left the person way get the motor, he go tell we the Tori as well the thing it take pass. First, tell we how the motor it take disappear.
Morning. Say me then wash I be around I come out for work for morning time, so I take my private go for washing point for Sunday morning. Say me then wash I be around 6:37. So I go, I pack am for the washing point. I always wash am for Bepanda, for Mala. So I want go, they don't put their pipe them ready for work. Some cargo be there. Some petit friend now come direct me, say gang pack for here. I pack the motor. He move carpet and start for wash am. I even open the bag, show he say me wash am for me, find me clean. I will motivate you again. Then I want go now. I say I left key so that way finish. You go pack and find how they ever do. I left the key now for you now. I say I go house, go rest, how I be travel the whole night. I want come by around 8:30. I no see motor. I come out for work for morning time. So
apart from say you tell we as well the thing start, tell we as well na tonton so te ona take get the motor and how the Tori pass, how the hell for see the motor.
I asked the other colleague there, and they all man they be surprised. Now surprised say they don't come for sharp, they no see motor. So now we na the controller for the washing point. we take bike now. The worker from washing point to washing point. Whether sometimes how the controller one come late, you don't take motor for wash and for different side. We go reach for Bonamusa, the same come for Angtwe Panda, we no official. So now I decide now say better ma I go porte playing for nye. I go now for the nearest brigade. He call another man buy the motor. I will call the man, inform me, say they don't tip that motor. The man ask whether na for Bamenda or for Douala. He say na for Douala. He say okay, me leave him. He go send picture them for WhatsApp so that if any man see him too. Before now, it won't be around 7 o'clock for Monday for evening. We then tip the motor for Sunday morning. It won't be 7 for Sunday evening the next day. He called him my brother. We mean I buy the motor now. Say they don't cash motor for Bafang, for banker, for brigade, for banker. So now we give me the commandant a number. We call the commandant now. He send me the motor now for WhatsApp. We see him now motor. Now I wait for morning time now. Whatever say near they know the bolo. If all near they feel the bolo let the ground. That means the motor no for common bank reach for here. We they no show up for road because that man work with no book. You know for common to reach for here. Me commandant the catch him for here. So I don't know as I fit thank the commandant, but I just now only God. He thank you for me. So I asked the other colleagues.
So now so the thing it pass for that side. So for banker we go left that palaver for motor with the thief and for Douala side here. With the meet up and for West region. We take on a talk different palaver. We enter for Mungo division. We take on a one time for inside market for melon country people them. As so no be talk the palaver for some time. We say moku turn back for Sika say even as so the talk. It dey like say all market again and one sick. Market them, the dirty, poto for all roadway people they use them. But inside the market them, they also pay people them tax, all thing they dinner for ground. Even as well the dirty place, it they so con the people them. Mommy them says where they sell corn, they sell granite, and even kind small thing them inside bucket. Then says they vex. For Sika say they say people the way they can't buy their binet, they cheat them. Then now for Sika waiting, they say bucket where they take measure gari, one way they take even measure granite, corn, all for inside. They make and where the bucket they make and now a big. Say first time they be ever get the normal bucket where no man in no be the cheeky friend. But now so they make bucket a big so they when they even say well, they ever get no losses instead for them say forget gain inside this palaver. So for Sika that one, mommy then says the vex, mommy the way they say gari, one the way they say granite, one day they say corn. They make mash, meet up big man for inside market. For talk for them say the bucket where they make now, it use now for cheat them. Now it means say they know the fee forget that gain them fine, they the only losses. Now losses. So mommy they now so they don't talk say better na the old buckets where they be ever the use them than for say they make new bucket the way it cheat them. So now the bucket that where they don't talk say they be better than for the other one. So the mommy them now for Sika that one where they make mash, they deny for same. Inside market say they make big bucket now where it make they cheat them. Now so make we enter for inside the market. We hear the real problem where it worry the mommy them. The mommy it talk for Cyril Njemba.
For market I say they bring with double pocket every year. They change pocket for can buy gari, for can buy corn. So when they even broke the pocket, they add them. Say maybe because they know the market for melon and libre. You dey enter how you want and you come out how you want and you buy how you want and because no man they ask them. The woman they don't decide say no for this year don't buy because they don't put a 30-liter pocket for market for buy corn for inside. Put 25-liter pocket for buy gari. So woman they don't decide now for say make the car for market can't see president for market for say make it see the situation for woman they for melon because they suffer. All the fertilizer now 18,000. They pay motor go farm, they rent farm. They pay the work and they pay the clay, they pay the move grass. That means when they come for can sell that corn for that kind of quantity where they 12 for down, they know they come out for them. Why that way this all the people then they for here. Don't problem for market I say.
So how even as way the thing the world is so the business now
instead with the loss because corn where you can sell and where you begin at 2 pocket for them now all the 3 pocket corn Gary will be for give you 3 pocket, it give you na 2 pocket where they buy for 4,000. Either for buy for 5,000, then they buy them. And now them just say they can't measure them. Impose the way they get for measure them. They mash and saute it throw for down all. So we not defeat for commode. We not gain none of it.
Very good. We go commode market. We talk chapter for book this afternoon. We talk this palaver for exam with the commode for insight this week. Na palaver for GCE. Plenty picking them where they never so see the result where they see them na plenty glad a day for their mind as well someone they says they also check their result them for the different school they will be turn for see and for inside that side so for Bonaberry country people them every day na palava for the picking the way they be right O level one the way they decry for Sika say they don't pass one the way they so na over glad so way they see and so where this ngonde they don't pass exam na for Sika why that way they cry no be na for Sika say he don't fail he don't pass na pass country people them over glad he start only cry na cry that one they tell you say na ngonde the sese we don she don for inside class so they tire for Atlanta side sese will enter for the na the same population will meet up one the way the right technical one the way the right O level general and even the one the right A level general the whole school is also full up as well they so they look their results where they come out sabi say for register for the GCE all man it be free people they know they gather plenty but forget results now for they were big palava day as well picking the success so now they must only so go now for school or for go gather for some place only for struggle for see where they get them one way they pass they did wrong with the glads other one them they only struggle for see as well the thing they happen so now for talk say result for GCE way come up for inside the week one the way they never see them they did also paka for different school them as well they so result don't come out whether na glad or na say they fail now so the thing they happen for the different school them where we turn for inside for that side for Bonaberry. Make we hear now some one of the picking them where he passed this exam. A talk for Chief Robert Mukube, a microphone.
Also, I feel talk and I say I be very grateful for God because in the let me find and my family as well. I mean my family don't let me for Sika the way I be very grateful for them because if not of them, another duty I don't do an also. And also I feel talk and I say for those who don't make a may at least may they not be discouraged. In next day, the rate we give for do now may they read hard for pass the exam. That also I give for talk.
We'll be talked to with some people them with the get hand for these better results with some of the picking them. They make them say the talk for Chief Robert Mukube a microphone.
This result we will get them today. Maybe any human making. But now God your handwork. At the time all parents, time will teach us them. Time the students them. As any moment where they ask them for respect rules and regulations of school, they follow them. Now because of that, respect we don't take them to this level. Wait here, don't see them today as this result don't come out. We picking that they come out here with joy, they shout for so one them fall inside more rule because of our joy where they pass exam. And I ask myself, say when they reach house, how Papa too will feel? I just feel say that kind of joy where picking will come back, Papa say, how you there? So he say, Papa, I did so because I don't pass my exam. And they get the feelings too say, Papa too feel for more rough you see skin too say that money will be paid in over loss.
My name is Mr. Koda Peter, one of the coordinators of Sejet Bonaberry. We're glad so much because we're picking the run perform very well. In fact, this is one of the highest results we don't get out of this school since we start. And we're very happy. You see my teachers around me, we're very happy. We scored very spectacular results. Like for O-level general, we get 81.48%. For A-level general, we get 91.38%. And for above all, A-level commercial, 100%. In fact, it's very wonderful. And we thank God for this performance. And we pray that God will continue to guide the teachers and the students of this institution so that they continue to work very hard and make more results next academic year.
Very good. We go left book, we left Binet, we left thief, we enter for chapter 14. Now that one will go take finish story this afternoon. We go for Marua. For tell on us say rain way if fall for Marua side, it don't cause confusion. Enter for people that farm, Chakara farm, enter for inside house them, Chakara house them for that side so for Marua. So they even one family self, or I say plenty family for foul them. Then say they don't die. Apart from say the rain enter Chakara people their house, for that side for Marwa, someone then say they did so struggle now for wipe their floor. Now so to plenty foul them too, they die for Sika rainway if also for that side so for Marwa. Even swine say on the people them, they die for Sika the plenty water, where it plenty so for that side for Marwa, for Sika this rain, where it also for that side. Now man that way get swine, it only enter na poto for see as well if you come out to swine them, where they die. Now money house out, where they carry them, picking them, mommy them, they shidon now so for outside, only for them, for see as well they feed the shidon, for that side so for Maram, so one them there, they sleep now for empty area, empty place, where now only rain, it don't chakara their house, or them so, they come up for outside, so the rain, it wrong for that side for Maram, so they don't make a whole quarter, it come up for outside. Now tell you that, we rain chakara, bed, we rain chakara, I say the rain for that side, ebide na other kind, chakara outing, but sabi say even book them for school picking them say rain chakara. Big man for that side for Mara say he enter for see as well the thing happen. He don't talk whether na waiting they go do am after. Na so thing for she don't quiet, but sabi say the rain it show people them pepper for that side so for Marwam. Na money house out where they commode the whole house. Now only bed. It remain for outside. Television say on a siam, it chakara. People they now so they sleep now for empty place. Book them all in chakara. Now marwa that for we. And now so the rain, it be happen. Since this morning time, it don't be a strong thing for people there they come up for side for village, for come for this side for aqua. Road, it broke or it cut for that side for Yasan and walk on top that roads, it don't happen since calling people them. When I sabi say the roads, na road where they take people them come outside for go for Yawende, and it take people them to enter. So people then now so they pass now for corner with the foot. Now it means say Okada say with the years today na big them. Since yesterday and Saturday today, Okada they make na plenty money only for them for carry you come out for that side where the bridge a cut. Bring them for this side so for Aqua. Okada man they ask you even 3,000. Only for you for reach for this side. So it don't be a big trouble for people the way they shidon for that side where they come work for this side. And now so to traffic too it day for the plenty for Sika the roadway it cut. But Sabi says since for some time they don't fix the road, they don't struggle for see as well they fix that road where it cut. Sabi say now for Sika the plenty water where rain it come out yesterday for Douala here where it make that road it cut. People them they be forced for waka with the foot for cross sideway road it cut. Then take Okada for the other side. Now so to moto then two where they want come out to for outside Douala country people. Moto says they turn up now for long line. Now the moto then that where they turn up for long line where it is so they the wait now say may they find some chance where they fit pass. So it don't be a strong thing for people them for cross come for this side for Aqua and for other section for inside Douala as they shidon for that side so for village Sabi say the bridge a cut for side for Yasam ebidena yesterday. Inside Douala forever na the face that for forever yesterday as we rain e fall water rain e meet up people them for house one day where they want go for outside for go do their business. They enter now for inside water rain. Even people the way they will not fit come out, they should only for their front door for Sika say water rain they for all sides. One the day where they don't already put them for their food. Other one they say Sandai Chief Robert Mukube house to that one at the sea and so water enter all for inside we know the day. And now so two people then two where they be one come out they be forced now for enter for inside water. Now whole street that where water it take or it talks say na him he get for use the road today. But Sabi say people them for forever they hear about plenty for Sika the plenty rainway it don't fall for inside Douala here. So now they face that for forever as well rain 84 for inside Douala here. Plenty people them they be forced now for Wakam inside rain water and someone themselves rain it can meet up them right for inside their house. They no fit for come out. Water don't enter. A wet cargo them for people them. Na might be that way they do one for a front door water. It almost cover them. The one, it don't pick nas on one side where water do already enter for inside compound. So it be then a big trouble for these people them for forever. As we rain, it show them better pepper. After we all then they blame na Guataho, where they say they fix them for them, where it no big. For Sikada one, water if come for up so it enter now for inside streets, enter to for inside people them house. So it be then a wonderful thing for Douala here as we rain. It is also for and Sabi say now only one day rain so where it cause confusion at my house at where rain it enter right for inside so country people there. So now they face that for forever as we rain it before for Douala here. Make we hear people then now so for forever they talk. First we go hear this young boy he talk as we the rain he meet up for house.
For don't experience something for this quarter where for the past 6 years who are around the state they will never ever experience them, and the one are just because of the wrong town planning where were mayor for Douala 4 they don't do a construction for bridge for they were a channel over small. Look at houses. I sleep for bed for morning time, bed start shake before one discover say they so water don't enter house. All this construction, no gutter, they no day. Wrong planning, they go construct bridge, the channel small. And this thing they so the way they do, it will start affect people they now for different style. Cholera we first day for Douala at this present moment. Who know whether the water be safe? All kind dirty the inside. Is that come to the fair work got the dirty for quarter all place. The day when people they work outside the kind of water, so if you give person sick, we don't know the kind of sick we might get now. So don't experience something.
Yes, Chief Robert Mukube, he be put a microphone too for before another part for inside forever with rain in meet up for inside house.
It don't bad for forever. The next 10 years what we do for inside the forever. I never see the kind of thing. I don't see it today. The whole house is from Pont de Bois right up for forever. The whole place is in Nongbe. All houses. That bridge where they build for forever for down there. That bridge, it don't cause confusion for inside the forever. May government try to see whether they fit book that bridge. They take a home so that people that fit bridge more, the people that will die. It don't bad for forever. The next 10.
Now, Sabi say for inside forever, some small clinic where day to for day, watering, sorry Sabi say inside that clinic, sick people they be dead, but for sicker the rain, this palavam, it be really war for inside forever for that hospital, for inside forever, where them said that they look out sick people them for that side. Water too, fear, he entered right for inside that hospital calling people them. As well they see for outside the hospital, make we enter for the hospital, say that, now the hospital that, where water, he enter for inside, so they meet up people the way they know where, right for on top beds, he make them sick people themselves they wrong come out for outside, the left bed empty for sicker the water way he enter for inside hospital. All place where they so doctor be get for turn up, now so water flop for inside, now so said to the doctor then say they cry plenty for sicker say plenty of their sick people them they be before for come out for outside for sicker water way he enter so for inside the hospital. So it be then other kind for that side. Make we hear one of the work person them inside that hospital. He talked to for Chief Robert Mukube.
You don't bat. You don't sleep today. Man, one woke up. You move your foot back for bed. You put an inside water. As well as I'm all water don't take all the whole clinic. Patients the way they all man. I don't instead try for discharge. All man say me they go because water if it come now it cause now a disaster for you. So it all really worst. All rooms, all mechs in there, everything. You carry all things double on top bed. Carry all things double on top bed. Mattresses them. I think you don't see inside there. All. So we're not even the water the rich man for level for Botox. So I don't know how government will do for see how we feel level for this quarter. It don't really be the worst level.
So palava for water for Douala, we go jump make we take on go for that side so for Limbe for tell on say Limbes people then say they be here hot, so for sika this palava for rain, and sabi say walk for that side, so for open road for Manowo Bay, e be then a walkway, e be sote for overnight, sabi say the rain will be thrown to for Limbe, it because plenty confusion and big people them are just like any other man for Limbe, you know, before for sleep, for sika say walk, if then I say they open the roads where a lock road for people them for B so that they feel the pass. Last before day one break, they be don't turn so they open the roads more so the roads if you don't the pass. Sabi say na poto to a come off on top here as we watering. It be a throwing on top for that side so for Limbe, con the people them and governor Sese for Sawes, Oga Bena Okala Bilai, neither on the sea with the coat. It be day 2 for Limbe yesterday for see as we this palava the pass. Now so governor it takes style. A worker for all sides. He be there in a some big woman where Oga Minister for Territorial Administration is send am say me they come for can see what will happen. Now so two caterpillar said day for struggle for Chakala some house them where a poto he enter for inside there for see whether people they be she done. Inside the Ndongame way happen. Governor he give orders say me they come out others people them for place where they she done just now. Put them for some other place where the sabi say danger no go be. But sabi say Honorable Etombi Seseb where he be there with the governor plus even the woman where come here with them. All them they try for talk say they so only council E1 he no fit do that kind of work. Say mean governor Seseb he help. So governor Seseb he don't be for there for see as well the thing he the pass. Small we go tell una as well the tori he the pass for that side for Limbe. So, con the people them, now so we see country for this afternoon, but before we enter for newspaper, just for Sabi say, all the things that will be they happen, Tiko to be enter for dances today, people that way they be come for Douala yesterday, they be here bad. Onasia.
Tiko Douala road to the inside leak. The inside leak for Tiko Douala road. Choi! Mama, Tiko Douala Road to National Road number 3. A river run turn for a river. People they cross now foot. See Cameroon, Tiko Douala Road. Tiko Douala Road to the inside leak. Then inside leak for Tiko Douala Road. Choi! Mama, Tiko Douala Road to National Road number 3. A river run turn for a river. People they cross now foot.
So, Natiko Douala Road that as we rain to be thrown for that side so for Tiko yesterday. Country people them. Make we enter for the Tory then when newspaper they talk this afternoon for we for finish. The guidance post we dey for outside today. Palava for Norway Sawes, Catholic Church, Presbyterian Church for Cameroon, Muslim all strong people them. They don't talk say they go happen. All Anglophone conference will go happen for number 29 to 30 day for August moon. D1 now for check as well. They go make solution for inside the confusion for Norway and Sawes. Now so today detail we for Sika di Palava for Norway and Sawes. Kumba 2, Kumba 3, they no do no better work for inside their book for Palava public contract them where it be get for being. For the guidance post too, they tell we some pastor woman now so if he turn so he come up for marriage after we go fight in Masawe na pastor for inside church. Palava poto to a throw for Limbe, the guidance post it tell we say 4 people them they don't confirm die and 10 people them they dey for hospital. Other to read the them for inside the guidance post way you feel for read them. Make we take una enter for the post weekend assessor way it day to for outside today. The post weekend it tell we say waiting Cardinal Tumi and other strong church people them. They say all Anglophone conference 3 it go happen and they don't talk say they give strong condition them for people the way they get for Chidon inside this Palava. So for the on top Palava for Norway Sawes, the post weekend it tell we say United Nations Human Rights Commission it don't vex with Cameroon Ngomna for Sika say waiting they no open them roads for can make investigate For Palava human rights, where they don't disturb all sides. For country, Mayor Ekema Patrick in names help, a day for inside the post-weekend arm, where a day now so for outside, talk away, lock store them, and he make bine people them, they no open their bine place for Tuesday, and Palava Poto 2 way throw away for that side for Limbe, they talk say 4 people they don't die, and plenty other people them, they don't lost. For Sika, they plenty rainway for Limbe. Now, so we see country, before we go, we get a person way don't lose, make we show now the photo, and we talk on top the photo. Now, they picking that, they call it na Sac Abel Emmanuel, they say lost on number 24 day for this moon, around 1 o'clock, for place where they call them say Borno this, for village. They say the small picking, he gets around that kind of 7 years, and he talk fine for Emmanuel Macron country talk, and he talk small for Queen Elisa a country talk. And inside the same palava, the say will be common for house. It be wear some trousers, when a jean, again a blue color, and some slippers for a foot. So Mama Mbela tak tua kala Rose Henriette Fanny Edibek. Any person who don't see this speaking, say make it call this thing number them 699-476-355 or 696-987-500, or he bring the Pekin for Equinox Tori House. Big dash, wait you. Madame Mbela Rose Henriette Fanny annonce la disparition de son fils, le nommé Abel Emmanuel, le mardi 24 juillet 2018, aux environs de 13h, au quartier village Borno 10. Le petit Abel est âgé de 7 ans et il s'exprime en français et légèrement en anglais. Au moment de sa disparition, il était vêtu d'une culotte jean bleue, une paire de babouches roses. Madame Bella prie toute personne qui retrouvait ou hébergeait le petit Abel de bien vouloir le contacter au numéro suivant 699-476-355 ou 696-987-500 ou le ramener à Equinox contre une très forte récompense. Now the story than that for this afternoon, we did say big thank you for Andy Nganyu, you did for that side, so for Bafang, for the better work to way, you did do and for we. Big thank you for all man, we don't make and say me tori waka fine. Una hold am tight.